Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce a software that allows you to create multiple YouTube channels automatically. As you can see on the screen, I'm currently managing multiple accounts, and each account is running on a different proxy. This helps keep everything separated and much safer when working in bulk. Now, let's go to the channel section. Here, you'll find the Create Channel feature. Simply click on it. At this step, you just need to enter the channel names you want to create. I've already prepared a list, so I can simply paste it in. The user list works the same way. If a channel name is unavailable, the software will automatically add numbers at the end to ensure the channel can still be created successfully. In the channel configuration section, you can create multiple channels from a single email account. For this demo, I'm creating around 3 channels per account. Another powerful feature, the ability to clone your main channel to expand brand coverage. You can copy details such as the channel description, links, contact email, banner, and profile image, everything needed to keep branding consistent. Once everything is ready, simply select the email accounts you want to use and click Start. The software will automatically open multiple tabs, allowing you to track the progress of each action in real time. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support me and motivate me to create more useful content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.